Responsive Web Design. Welcome to our Responsive Web Design course. During this course we will learn how to build modern, responsive websites using HTML and CSS. As our course project, we will build a real website from scratch. As a bonus, we will also add some functionality to the website using JavaScript at the end of the course. If you are not familiar with basic HTML CSS syntax, we suggest you complete our HTML and CSS courses first, before starting this one. Responsive Web Design. Responsive web design is the practice of building websites that can adapt to every device and every screen size. A responsive website is usable on different screen sizes, from large desktops to small mobile screens. The main concept of responsive web design is building layouts that respond to screen size change by adapting and changing the style of the page. Which of the following best describes the term responsive web design? Separate pages for web and desktop. Same layout for all screen sizes. Consistent structure on different screen sizes. Adapting to different screen sizes. Unlock. Unlock unlimited practice and lessons. Set daily learning goals and track progress. Remove the ads. Limit interruptions. Course project. Let's take a look at the project we will build. A generic landing page for an app. This is how it will look like on a desktop.